Well, it's getting close to Christmas. I know, I'm excited. These toys sure are amazing. Yeah, but you still owe us for that last one that you let the turkey destroy. I know, mean old bird. Sure pecked that thing to death, didn't he? So are you ready for the holidays? I think so. We got plenty to choose from. Things that'll make perfect stocking stuffers and gifts. Like what? Well, we have all kinds of stuff. Things like Nebo flashlights, AM/FM radios, TVs, universal remotes, weather stations, turntables, sound bars, car audio equipment. Yeah, but I think you forgot something very important. I did? Oh, right, the batteries. Yeah, don't forget the batteries. There's nothing more upsetting than trying to enjoy your Christmas gifts, but you can't because you have no batteries. That's not cool. Oh, check this out, Fizz. Oh, wow. That's pretty neat. Please be careful and don't drop it. I said not to drop it. You are unbelievable. Well, what's this for? It's a toolkit. Fix it. I don't know anything about RC cars. Oh, you're going to learn, pal. This is epic. You know I'm going to be adding this to your bill, right?